Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to block or disable a stolen smartphone using IMEI number. Please make sure to watch this video until the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes along the way. In saying that, let's dive into it. Okay, the IMEI or the International Mobile Equipment Identity is a unique 15-digit code that acts as your phone's exclusive fingerprint. This powerful number can track or block device in case of theft or loss. But first, if you're enjoying this content, consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that notification bell. That way you'll never miss out when new video drops. Alright guys, now let's talk about obtaining this vital IMEI number. There are several ways to get it. Check the box your phone came in or look at the purchase receipt is the first way. You'll find this 15-digit code predominantly displayed. Alternately, simply dial *#06# on your device and voila, will be there, and I'll go ahead and do that now. And there you go there. There's the IME and serial number of your phone. Now here's the game changer. This IME number is all you need to block or track your phone if it ever goes missing or falls into the wrong hands. But for providing this number to your telecom company or service provider, they can blacklist your device, rendering it pretty much useless. Even if the theft attempts to change a SIM card, it's a critical step in securing your device. Also, when reporting a theft, taking the purchase receipt as proof of ownership to your service provider allows them to swiftly block your mobile phone by blacklisting it as well. While this may not directly retrieve your smartphone, imagine if everyone took this proactive step when faced with a loss. It would significantly deter thieves from targeting people's smartphones altogether. So stay vigilant and proactive in safeguarding your device by knowing and utilizing your IMEI number. It's a powerful tool in ensuring the security of your mobile device in case of unfortunate events. And that's it, guys. End of this video. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. We really appreciate it and helps us out a lot.